Well, today we're going to be doing a little nature walk at the George Mitchell Nature Preserve close to my house. It's going to be me and my whole entire family. We're just going to take a little walk down these trails. And I thought maybe we'll start doing a weekly vlog of me and my kids and my wife, and sometimes my mother will be with us. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy.
Make sure your shoes tied, good princess. Is he going to vlog this or something?
Watch him go.
Rabbit is very good.
But I've only had it once because it's so rare.
I don't know. Was it just one time we had it?
Yeah, I only had it one time.
We've had it 3 times.
She only got it once, so I
No,
guess
she didn't. We had one time where I killed one at the Sam Houston, and I killed one with Jacob, and I killed another one by myself.
I don't remember.
She's had it twice.
Yeah, she wasn't there for one of them.
Oh. What's that?
Oh, a big old bee.
The bee or a dragonfly?
Oh, maybe it's a horsefly.
What's the bee?
Dad, are you vlogging this?
I will.
Yeah.
Let me get some
He's
walking in.
vlogging this. I was curious.
I'm hurting a little.
It's on me.
What is?
I'm good on me.
Yeah, it's okay. I put you in the sandals because I knew your feet were going to get dirty.
Yeah.
Yeah. There was a really creek nearby or something.
There is, baby. I think it's up the road a little bit.
Ooh, maybe we can go swimming.
If it looks clean enough water, we can.
Huh?
If it's clean enough water, you can.
And I do not care if I have to walk back here wet and cold. It's worth it because it is hot. It was 100 degrees yesterday for a little.
Say hi, Logan.
What is that, the creek?
Oh no, there looks like there's water up here. There looks like there's a big dip right here. Yeah, it looks like it opens up to a little drainage. Yeah, there's a little drainage pond right here. It's beautiful. It's just dried up.
Ooh, a dandelion.
Now my wish won't come true.
It'll come true.
My dad said it has to be in one below.
Here's a little drainage right here. Yeah, there's water somewhere. See,
Straight ahead. Straight ahead.
So about there isn't any baby alligators or something. You know, there's baby alligators at the park. There's a little petting zoo where you can also play with goats. I wish you would have had those stripes on video. Guys, look. What's a tiny? What's a nine? Rhinoceros Rex. We need the Rhinoceros Rex.
It looks like a little drainage right here. Wherever, which way you want to go. Ooh, that is some stagnated, nasty water. That's worse than what the bayous are over in Houston. Which way do you want to go?
Flint Ridge Loop. Where's Flint? Oh, Flint Ridge.
Yeah.
Then I guess. Oh, there's nothing this way. It doesn't even say to go this way.
There's a marker right there.
Well, let's go check that one out because I don't think there's much to go this way.
Is this the thing, guy? Oh. Is that a fire ant?
No, it's a no. That it's a carpenter ant.
Oh, was it?
Yep.
Bubba, stay up here with us.
Rob Fishing Trail ends in
Rob Fleming.
0.4.
Miles at post HC50.
Oh wow, with his glasses. Oh wow.
That's what it reminds me of.
What does the water remind you of?
The sesame sauce that we had at the Chinese buffet with the sesame chicken.
Mmm. That's disgusting.
That didn't have sesame seeds though.
Oh, this is beautiful. Here's a little marshland. I don't have any waders, so I'm not gonna be able to get down in there. Beautiful. Head back to the trail. Keep up with the family. That's a trail too.
Yeah, I like that one.
That's what I call it, a golden fly. Oh, it's buzzing.
The pregnant trooper. The bun is cooking in the oven.
Baby, put the sand down. Go get T-Rex. You can't leave him here. He'll wander off and eat the bugs. Yeah, I know. Me too.
Beautiful canopy. Very beautiful.
What's that? What's that? Oh, video. The tongue video. The tongue video. The tongue video. What? What happened to the sun? Right there.
You want to try to beat us?
You trying to get the butterfly?
If you want to get a butterfly, you gotta go slow with the butterfly net. Then when it's least expecting, get the butterfly. Also, if you want a butterfly, you do it out of Where's the
Wait up. I have to go get the children. They thought it'd be a good idea to just take off running. Look at that beautiful root. I don't see any burrows. This is a beautiful lazy Sunday. Beautiful piney woods. Well, You're getting too far ahead, buddy.
Yeah, he's a little basket. Sounds like oh. I'm gonna eat you up for dinner.
Oh, beautiful little pine saplings. Beautiful sky. Healthy kids. And beautiful wife and my mother behind me. Just a wonderful Sunday evening.
I blew your house down. I'm gonna eat you for dinner.
Watch out, baby. That's a game trail.
What does that mean?
Piggies.
Hey, little bad wolf, you wanna catch me?
Yes, I am.
Some break.
It was a dragonfly Daddy saw. Right here. Look, Bubba, it's right there. It's blue. You see her? She's beautiful. Stop. Logan, stop.
Ah.
Bubba. There she is.
Okay.
Oh, he found her.
Oh, what found him?
Yeah, you found him.
You find her?
See, Daddy's recording her.
I want to name her Elsa.
Elsa. Perfect name for a blue dragon.
Little bad wolf, you can't catch me.
It's our turn, and I have some salt to put on you with my breaker.
It's a little bad wolf.
Let's see if I can get down to these. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is beautiful. Watch out, Maddie. Madeline, you gotta remember, there is a high possibility they can be alligators, and you're just the perfect little size.
You gonna have my hand?
No, there's a trail down, and I went through the woods.
Well, then you say what you want. Let's be quiet about it.
That is beautiful.
How about there's any alligators around?
Good
There
job.
probably is, you just can't see them. They could be in that cattail. You would never see them.
I saw something in the water.
Can the big bad wolf get you?
Yeah. Let me get.
He wants to
All
hold
right,
it.
walk around, don't drop it.
He's the vlogger. He's the recorder now. He's the
Come on, baby.
director of the show.
All right, Logan, give it to Daddy before you drop it.
I want it.
You were the director.
I want it.
No, Bubba, come on.
I want that wolf.
Right or left?
We go this way. There's just nobody out there. Slow down, boy.
Where's that wolf?
No! I want you for dinner. What's in?
What's Madeline keep finding?
Decent little bitty.
I found a gold fly too. And a dragonfly.
You can't catch me.
And I found a pig for dinner.
Yeah, we got pig tracks rooting around.
Big picture. Come here, Logan.
Yep. There's a house right there. Or a building.
It's the community center permanent decision.
There's more trails, aren't there?
Yeah. Sounds like you're getting close to the road. Man.
Yeah. This is where they're putting that bridge in right now. Yep. Just watch out. Yeah, just watch out for utility lines and stuff like that. Maybe. This is where they're putting the bridge in Gosling. Yep, there's the excavators. Yeah, look. Babe, the trail continues. We're not gonna go on top. This is an active construction zone. It's where they're putting in another section of the bridge.
That crane has an orange thing on it. Oh.
I think it loops around, sweetheart.
You can't go to the creek?
No, I think it loops around right here, baby.
Oh, okay. You just Can I pick this up?
Yeah, just watch out for snakes. And there's one right there. Whoa. Baby, don't put that in the trail though.
Okay.
Here's the end of that little bitty pond.
It has lily pads.
You just watch out, baby. The water's a little dark, so you're gonna have a hard time seeing if anything starts moving close to you. Ooh, look at those thorns. That hurt. Ooh, boy, that hurt. My mom and my son checking out the heavy equipment.
Oh, you are allowed to do that. Can you guys do restrictions?
This used to be paved.
I think it was a road.
It was a road.
Then I forgot what they call it. It wrapped up all the concrete. Now it's a trail.
Yep. Turned into a gravel trail.
I'm excited to go to the creek. If I do something. You catch this?
You want the little bitty creek? Yeah.
Oh, wait, let me see. I don't want you walking through this stuff.
I'm just wearing Crocs. I'm trying not to. Here, we'll pick it up.
I know, I like it. Being mindful of your feet.
I know. That's why I wasn't going to go to it. Oh, crap. Just watch out for. Well, I don't even have to say it. Oh, this looks like a little pond. The creek's not high enough to feed it right now. A little drainage pond. Did you just fall?
Ooh, bamboo. We should break it off and give it to some pandas.
Baby, where do pandas live?
In China.
Where do we live?
In North America.
Little bamboo. Well, we got a down tree.
Ooh, I can sit on top of that.
If it's not rotten. Limbo.
She's still on. Logan got some.
What are those, babe?
What?
Persimmons? Tomatoes? What are that?
That looks like. No, that is that what are they called? They're fake tomatoes.
Baby girl.
They're very poisonous, especially to wildlife as well.
Watch that big old antlers.
Forgot what they're called.
You need to be in front?
No,
Not in here, it's behind the second.
I'm gonna try 'em, Bubba. You don't like it? It's okay, Bubba. Come on. Why are you hitting the bamboo?
Crepe myrtle.
Crepe myrtle?
Yeah, that is cool. Look at the knots.
That's cool.
I don't know what that is.
Maybe something.
You guys, look, there's a deer. I can't see the baby. There it goes, there it goes.
Where's the deer? Where's the deer? I swear.
There's a doe. She looked good too. She's a good size.
Where's the deer?
Might be pregnant.
She wasn't startled by us. She just got up and kind of went. Did you see her at all?
Where's the deer?
She went into that deeper brush. But I saw her playing this day. That's so good that I noticed that, babe.
Yes,
Saw
that's
her
very
flash
good.
Like my dad told me. I did exactly what y'all said. Look for it to not be up and down.
Yep.
Oh, that gives me chills. That makes me so excited.
We got a little watering hole for pigs. Meet back up with the fam.
Look for stuff that's not up and down.
What's wrong, Logan?
I won't let it go first. I told him he's
Come on, Bubba.
No mouth. No mouth. Come on.
Oh, you can go in front of
No
me
mouth.
if you want.
You can get bugs in your mouth.
Second. Wait, isn't the youngest supposed to be in the back?
Be nice for it to be in the middle.
You don't go first. You don't go back.
Nope.
Oh, so the back and the front are for these.
If he's a snake, I'll step on it or see it first.
And if there's a bear,
Well, there ain't gonna be a
Well, you're more worried about coyotes, pigs, and the occasional mountain lion.
There's no mountains around, so we're good.
Baby, they're called mountain lion, but they're called cougar as well.
I thought they lived in the mountains.
No, baby, we have them here.
So why are they called mountain lions?
Because they also dwell in the mountains.
So they also, some live in the mountains and some don't.
Yes, they go all the way from the north of Canada and all the way down to, I think, Peru. So they have a...
So
like a-
like how bull sharks can live in salt water and fresh water.
because if I'm
Pretty
not
much.
mistaken, there's a creek right there. Because it drops off very deep right there, Mom. No, I'm looking right at it. Look, it drops.
That hill.
Look, it drops.
Probably that dry area.
Did you hear what I said about bull tracks?
Yes, baby. Yep, that is the creek. And watch out for thorns. Oh,
Are we at the creek yet?
yeah, it looks like a little small creek. It's not Spring Creek. Little frog. Ooh. That does not look like an easy way down.
Hey, Dad, can I go down?
Yes, baby. You think you can make it down by yourself, or do you need help?
Yeah, I've done it before. Don't you remember the time we went to the park?
Yeah, I just don't want you to fall.
I like to go down the woods. I thought there was sand around here or something.
Yes, baby. And this water's a little deep for you to get in.
And,
And it's got a current to it. And there's no telling what's in it.
oh wait, around there's a little sandy spot over there.
Yes, baby. Where do you see to get down at?
We can go around. I can't swim?
No, baby. There's fish right there. You can see them breaking the water. Watch out, baby. Back up a little bit.
Where?
No, there was a little be something breaking. They were popping up. Might be a little bluegill. But look, that's a nice little place to catch bass and stuff like that. See how there's slack water right there? You have the main current, but then the slack right there.
You did it, baby girl. Look how fun. Remember, you're in shorts when you go through the icky grass. No, watch out. This big old sticker is over here. So take your leg up.
Yeah, I stepped on them.
Take them up. I've done had 2 horse flies bite me.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm glad I'm wearing pants today.
Watch out. That beats the sticker. All right, I know. Come on. This way, son. No,
Look,
we came
Bubba.
from this way. This way, Bubba. Ow. Come on, what are you not having fun? Okay.
Baby, I just don't see how I'm going to be able to get you back up.
Can we travel to the other side?
Baby, we haven't never been here. I don't know. We'll come back and we'll go swimming. Sound fun? Maybe we'll come back tomorrow.
What is that right there?
What?
Is that something that goes down?
I think there might be a trail right there.
Logan, where are you going? Okay, you need.
Let's try to find another spot to get down, okay?
Yay.
Okay.
Come on, Logan, come to me. Might be dangerous.
Hey, it's a heart.
And you just dropped it. What?
The J6. I forgot.
Oh, that's a shame. Someone came and dumped all the crap. I know, it's looking like from the 80s. Hallelujah!
Oh gosh, that's a thorn bush.
Now that is some thorns right there. Dear Lord, that hurt. It looks like it drops off right here, where it's a little easier to get to.
Which way should we go? That way?
I think so, but your dad has this comment.
Should we go this way or that?
Let me look.
There's a little beach.
Let me get down first.
Deal.
Oh, well, I gotta go to the garage. I just dropped my glasses. I just don't know. Mom's not gonna be able to get down here. There's a lot of back current, Maddie. Come here, Bubba. Daddy will hold you. Come here. Come here. Daddy will hold you.
My arm's a little black.
Oh, that was a thorn. Baby, this does loop around, don't it?
Maybe I've never been here.
I've never been here either.
Hey.
Oh, wow. Look at this big tree.
Oh, I've seen those are in my dad's yard.
Yeah,
We used to have
that's
my-
why them pigs and other critters come in his yard.
We used to have these all in our yard.
Can we eat them?
No, but
Now, how come animals
We
eat
eat it, it doesn't have much of a taste.
like nothing.
Come on, let's walk. Daddy will show you.
Dad, are these
Here's
berries?
Let's go. You want to go to the playground afterwards?
no, they're edible. They just don't have very much nutrition to them, nor do they have taste.
You gonna show Nana and Daddy the playground?
Yeah.
All right, let's do.
Yeah, the playground.
Gotta get there though, okay?
Where I climbed the Grand Canyon.
Go ahead, Buster.
Come on, Maddie.
Come on. Maybe there she's gonna try to get here. Look, baby, it's one of those red ants. Those big bad ones.
Red velvet ant.
Cow killer.
It's not a blowing. It's a pretty flower. You want it?
He just likes the blue one.
You like? If I find a blowing, I'll give it.
What a black-eyed Susan.
Wait,
You want me to have it?
what does it smell?
Does it?
Oh, it smells.
Just be careful.
If you find a pretty flower,
What is that?
that isn't a small gift to me.
Man, God's paintbrush is pretty awesome.
No, it just overheated.
Why would you keep on dropping flowers?
Here, carry it for a little bit, but you have to keep it up or you're gonna break it.
Who's good? You know, it's
You
just
got your hands full, bud.
He knows exactly how to vlog. After his turn, can I try? Yes? Hello.
Hello.
Come on, bud.
Hello.
He likes it.
Fly, flowers.
I know, look. Yeah, you're doing good.
Here, Bubba.
Can I do it?
Just for a little bit, baby. We're trying to hurry up and get back to the car.
Yeah, so we can go to the park. I got it. I'll hold it.
Hey, Logan. You like your flowers?
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Oh, this is
Look at
42%.
Nana's blowing bubbles and we're missing all the bubble fun.
Wait, blow bubbles.
Please don't drop that or fall.
Why was this blocked off at one time, I wonder?
Trying to record. Yay! Bubbles. I can see you. I'm recording everyone.
I'm so excited about the play.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
This is fun. Recording everyone. Hello, what are you doing today?
I'm walking with my family.
Yeah. I like this. I can record anything that I can see. I will and everyone will see it. This one's advanced.
How you doing?
How are you doing?
Madeline, it's definitely hard to edit out if you're just showing it in the face.
You got it.
Hello. Oh,
Yeah, it's done.
it got overheated.
It's okay.
It was 41%.
No, baby, it's still running. The red light's on.
It was dead? No. It just stops at a certain time.
I guess to save energy.
The screen goes off.
Water?
Yes, where the guy was fishing.
That's what I'm calling it, sesame water. Because it looks like sesame.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of turtles and stuff in it.
It looks like sesame oil when it's hit by the sun. That's sesame oil I got in Frozen chicken oil. It is. How can any fish survive in this type of water?
Put it in there now. No, you put it in the dirt. Madeline, you're gonna have to wash this off. You put it in the dirt. No, come here. It'll have to be washed off.
What am I supposed to do?
Pour water?
Yeah.
Go slow, because I gotta use my hands.
Tell me.
Pour. Gotta wash it off. Pour. Pour. Come on.
You
Is
clean?
it good?
We got the waddler. Making our way out. We did close to almost 2 miles. We didn't make the full loop. We're almost there, Bobo. Pay attention.
Where? What?
You said yes, Grandpa.
Yes, Grandpa.
I'm not your grandpa.
Thank you.
Come on, Bobo. You got a horsefly behind you.
Oh.
Yeah, a nasty old horsefly.
Can you get away?
Yeah, you got away.
And I'll watch it.
Watch your feet.
What is that from?
Yeah, that's Mama up there.
Come on, don't stop. Come on. Logan. You're falling behind, honey.
Hey, what happened to my hand? They're all wet.
Your feet are all wet?
No, look.
I know, Bubba. Come on. What?
What is that, a rocking?
That is a piece of gum someone stuck there.
Hey, where's Mom?
She's way up
Mama's
there.
at the car now.
That's why we can't stop.
Maybe I need to
Watch all the roots. Hope you liked today's video. We're gonna try to do this bi-weekly where me and the family go on nature walks, do nature preserves, and just try to enjoy outdoors. Try to get my kids acclimated. Hope you enjoyed all the content so far. Like and subscribe, and you have a wonderful, blessed, amazing day.